Good rainy Tuesday afternoon to you folks. Well, my mentor and I are at the bowling alley here in Groton, Connecticut. We're going to try to get some spares, or I'm going to try to get some spares, and hopefully I get some strikes too. We'll join you inside. We're going to fill our stomachs first. Alright, this is the place right here, this bar next door to that. I don't drink, so. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is eat, obviously. We're going to make my decaf coffee right now. This is very good coffee. The coffee here is only $1, so that's not too bad. Nothing like a fresh cup of coffee to go with my supper tonight. Nothing like a good hot cup of decaf coffee, Dunkin' Donuts to be exact. Alright, lane number 28 is where I am. Okay, I'm using the Kodak ZE-1 Playful on 720p, 60 frames a second. I brought my Kodak Slice camera with me in case I wanted to use that, but the problem is the battery dies down so quickly that I don't have an extra one, so that's why I brought this camera with me tonight. The video came out good last time I bowled, but the JVC camera that I was using, GCFM2, has digital zoom only. This does too, but and when I zoomed in, it looked terrible. But this one here does okay. So we're waiting on our food, and then we're gonna bowl. Okay, folks. Here we go.
First one is strike, Tom. Good job.
First strike, huh?
Third ball, strike.
I got a strike. so far.
Nice one, Tom. Nice one. Nice fish.
So far, that's not too bad. I'm getting better and better at this each time I bowl. And it's a lot of fun too. Trombones.
Yes, it is. That was a spare, buddy.
That was close. 85. That's the highest score yet. A split. How about that? I set the setup to vintage instead of sports this time. I got 2 pins left. .94 was my score. I guess that's the end of the game. Maybe not. Is it? Oh, okay. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching, folks.